What's up, vlog? About to do some roof cleaning. Alright, so we're out here on site. Got a small little roof here. And I know you guys have been following me online, and you've been hearing me talk about our new injector system, our direct injection system for getting a higher concentration. As you guys may or may not know, all we do is downstream. So sorry about the forehead sweat here, it's a little warm out today. But John's getting everything set up, and essentially what we're going to do is use our proprietary system to actually downstream this roof. So pretty excited to show you guys this. I gotta go turn this water pressure down. Jesus, man, this hose is rocking. Alright, so as you can see here, John is basically just applying, just like you would on a house wash, our low pressure solution. And again, we're downstreaming this, and it's safe concentration for the bushes, but just for proper precaution, keeping everything watered down for him. Little touch up there. And so here's what the back of the house actually looked like. This was actually worse than the front, but it came clean nonetheless. Alright, so John and I let this set for about another 10 minutes, and ta-da! There's the results. What do you think? Pretty awesome, right? Make sure you thumbs up and subscribe. Leave us a comment, let us know what you think, and if you're a contractor and want more information on our system, just send us a message. Make life easy. Call a pro.